Hello and welcome to SIRENNET Television. I'm Chris. With me today is a great product from the gang at ECCO over in Boise, Idaho. It's the 7970 Pulse 2 series LED beacon. It's a tall profile, just under 7 inches, and it has a 6.5-inch diameter base with a metal basin. It's designed with a 3-bolt flat mount, and it's also handy in that it incorporates a standard 1-inch pipe threading. Wiring harness can be run down and out through, but also it has a notch in the base here if you're going to be running the pigtail harness out from the side. This is a great solution for those of you who are also looking to upgrade from the halogen and strobe product. So this may even be the same profile when it comes to the height you already have in a strobe with a similar matching base. So again, very easy to make that conversion. So with the flip of a switch for 12 to 24 volt electrical systems, nice, bright Class I light output. Now this has 11 user selectable flash patterns via a trigger wire. So with a momentary tap to a positive 12 volt source, that will make a change through those various flash patterns. Once you've landed on the one that's the appropriate flashing for your vehicle, go ahead and stop the process of the yellow wire, and you're going to want to cap that off so that way there's no way for that connecting to any kind of power. But if you are wanting to make changes on the fly within the vehicle, you could run that to a secondary switch, being a momentary. So switch 1 will be your beacon control, switch 2 your flash pattern selection. So a little handy tip there. But again, from the ECCO gang, it is the 7970 Pulse 2 LED beacon. This, of course, being the amber, but it's also available in the other primary warning colors: blue, white, red, and green as well. Available on the website under the drop-down menu. I'm Chris. Thanks for joining us today on this episode of SIRENNET TV. We'll see you on the next one.